Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at types of numbers. So let's dive right in. Natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Whole numbers include 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. Integers, so we have negative whole numbers and positive whole numbers, and we call that integers. So all the way from minus infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc. Rational numbers, these are basically fractions, all of the numbers that can be written in the form a over b, where b is non-zero. So quick note here, all terminating decimals and all repeating decimals can be written as a fraction. So here are some examples of rational numbers. 4, because we can write it as 4 over 1. 0, negative 5, 2 over 3, root 25, which gives 5. 0.3 repeating, and 4.62. These are all examples of rational numbers. Irrational numbers. These are all numbers that cannot be written in the form a over b, where b is non-zero. So note, a non-repeating, non-terminating decimal is an irrational number. So a couple examples, we got root 2, root 3, pi, 4.52893 going on forever, non-repeating, non-terminating. And so real numbers are rational numbers or irrational numbers together. That's what we call real numbers. So we have a nice diagram here. So we have natural numbers, whole numbers include the natural, integers include whole and natural, rational includes integers, and so we have rational and irrational, and all of that comprised as real numbers. So a quick little exercise here. Practice number 1, true or false. I'll read it with you. Minus 3 is a whole number, 5 is a rational number, 0.5 repeating is an irrational number, pi is a real number, root 4 is an irrational number, 0 is an integer, and minus 2 is a natural number. So go ahead and write that true or false for those questions. Okay, so we have whole number false, it's an integer. 5 is a rational number, true, it can be written as 5 over 1. 3, false, 0.5 repeating is rational number. Pi is a real number, true. Root 4 is irrational, false, because root 4 is 2, and 2 is a rational number. 0 is an integer, true. Minus 2 is a natural number, that's false. Minus 2 is an integer. And that's it, it's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.